TAVLIT, 50 years of excellence. TAVLIT's smart filtration technologies are the right answer to your various needs. The innovative and patented filters offer large filtration area both in screen and disc and efficient flushing in low pressure from 1.5 bar and with low flows. Innovative first ever semi-automatic disc filter. When the indicator's red pin pops out, the filter needs cleaning. Flushing is performed by turning the handle a quarter of a turn. After 15 to 30 seconds, depending on the dirt load, the disc element is clean and the user turns the handle a quarter of a turn and the filter returns to filtering mode. TAVLIT offers two-action filter. The user opens the drain valve and turns the handle a quarter of a turn. At the end of the flushing cycle, the user turns the handle a quarter of a turn and closes the drain valve. In order to handle higher flows, TAVLIT assembles a battery of filters. TAVLIT's in-house manifold fabrication allows us to use our innovative semi-automatic filters to offer a highly effective and flexible solution for high flow rates. When the red pin pops up, the user flushes the filters one filter head at a time, and during flushing, water flow to the field is uninterrupted. The filtration batteries produced are ready to connect and use, flange to flange, and they can be customized to the client's needs.